Do you ever find yourself thinking about your balance? Maybe you feel a slight hesitation before taking the stairs, or a little less steady on your feet than you used to be. It's a common concern as we move past 60, a quiet worry about maintaining our independence, our confidence, and our ability to enjoy life to the fullest. The fear of a stumble or a fall can sometimes hold us back from the very activities that keep us vibrant and strong.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly empowering. We're going to explore how we can reclaim and build upon our leg strength, stability, and confidence, not through grueling workouts or complicated regimens, but through simple, delicious, and powerful choices we can make right in our own kitchens.
What if I told you that the key to feeling more stable on your feet, to reducing muscle soreness, and to preventing those dreaded leg cramps could be as simple as what you choose to drink each day? It sounds almost too good to be true, but the science is clear. Nature has provided us with incredible ingredients that can directly support our muscles, our nerves, and our circulation.
In this video, we're going to dive deep into 7 specific, all-natural drinks. We'll explore the science behind why they work, I'll share simple ways to prepare them, and we'll discuss the best times to enjoy them for maximum benefit. This isn't about a magic cure. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up to a huge difference in how you feel and move. So grab a comfortable seat and let's get started on this journey to stronger legs and a more confident you.
Our first powerhouse drink is one you might not expect, but its effects are profound. We're talking about beetroot juice. This earthy, ruby red liquid is a champion for circulation and muscle power. The secret lies in a compound called dietary nitrate. When you drink beetroot juice, your body cleverly converts these nitrates into a molecule called nitric oxide. Now, think of nitric oxide as a traffic controller for your circulatory system. It tells the smooth muscles in your blood vessel walls to relax and widen. This process is called vasodilation.
Why does this matter for your legs? Wider blood vessels mean more oxygen-rich blood can flow to your hard-working leg muscles, your quadriceps, your hamstrings, your calves. It's like upgrading from a small country lane to a multi-lane highway for nutrient delivery. This enhanced oxygen flow directly improves your muscle efficiency. Your legs don't have to work as hard to produce the same amount of power, which means they feel stronger, respond quicker, and tire less easily. This is crucial for stability and preventing stumbles.
How to prepare? You can find pre-made 100% beetroot juice in most stores, but making it fresh is wonderful. If you have a juicer, simply juice 1 medium washed beetroot. It has an earthy taste, so I recommend adding a sweet apple or a small piece of zesty ginger to brighten the flavor. Pro tip: for maximum benefit, try drinking a small glass about 60 to 90 minutes before an activity, like a long walk, gardening, or a light exercise class. This gives your body time to make that all-important nitric oxide.
Next, let's move from power to comfort. If you experience stiff joints or muscle aches, especially in the morning or after being active, our second drink is a warm, soothing embrace in a mug. It's known as golden milk or turmeric milk.
The magic ingredient here is, of course, turmeric, and more specifically, a compound within it called curcumin. Curcumin is one of nature's most potent anti-inflammatories. Think of inflammation as your body's alarm system. When it's chronic, that alarm is constantly ringing at a low level, leading to persistent aches, stiffness, and discomfort in our joints and muscles. Curcumin helps to gently turn down that alarm, soothing that chronic inflammation. For your legs, this means less morning stiffness in your knees and hips and faster recovery from muscle soreness after you've been active. But the benefits don't stop there. Golden milk is traditionally enjoyed before bed, and for good reason. It promotes deeper, more restorative sleep. And as we know, deep sleep is when our body's repair crews are most active, rebuilding muscle tissue and restoring energy for the day ahead. It's incredibly simple. Gently warm a cup of your preferred milk. Dairy, almond, coconut, or oat milk all work well. Whisk in about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and, this is crucial, a small pinch of black pepper. The piperine in pepper dramatically increases your body's ability to absorb the curcumin. Add a dash of cinnamon or a drop of honey for taste if you like. Never boil it, just warm it through. Enjoying a warm cup an hour before bedtime can work wonders. Our third drink is a classic for a reason. It's the perfect solution for preventing one of the most common and painful leg issues, muscle cramps. I'm talking about a delicious banana almond smoothie. This smoothie brings together a true power couple of minerals, potassium from the banana and magnesium from the almonds. These two minerals are absolutely essential for the proper functioning of our muscles and nerves. Think of them as the communication team for your body. Potassium is a key electrolyte that helps regulate nerve signals and muscle contractions. Magnesium is often called the relaxation mineral because it helps muscles release and relax after they contract. When we are low on either of these, our nerve signals can misfire and our muscles can struggle to relax, leading to those sudden, painful, seizing cramps, often in the calf or foot, especially at night. This smoothie provides a direct, delicious deposit of both minerals into your system. This couldn't be easier. In a blender, combine one ripe banana, a cup of your choice of milk — almond milk is great for an extra magnesium boost — and a tablespoon of almond butter, or a small handful of raw almonds. You can even add a handful of spinach for extra nutrients. You won't even taste it. This makes a fantastic stabilizing breakfast or a perfect afternoon snack to replenish your energy. Let's move on to another warming, invigorating drink. This one has been used for centuries to aid digestion and fight nausea, but its benefits for circulation and muscle comfort are just as impressive. Let's talk about ginger tea. The active compound in ginger that works all this magic is called gingerol. Gingerol is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, similar to curcumin. But it also has a wonderful warming effect on the body, which is a sign of its ability to boost blood circulation.
Better circulation means a more efficient delivery of nutrients and removal of waste products from your muscles. This can be particularly helpful after physical activity. If you find your legs feel sore or heavy after a walk or a day in the garden, a cup of ginger tea can help ease that discomfort and speed up your recovery time. It helps to reduce that delayed onset muscle soreness, keeping your legs feeling fresh and ready for your next adventure.
How to prepare. Forget the powdered stuff in tea bags if you can. The best ginger tea is made with fresh ginger root. Simply wash and slice a 1-inch piece of ginger. No need to peel it. Place the slices in a mug and pour hot water over them. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you like it. A squeeze of fresh lemon and a tiny bit of honey complement the spicy flavor perfectly. It's a wonderful warming treat any time of day. Our fifth drink is nature's own sports drink, and it's far superior to the sugary commercial versions. For pure, natural hydration and electrolyte replacement, nothing beats fresh coconut water. When we sweat, even just from a brisk walk on a warm day, we don't just lose water. We lose vital minerals called electrolytes. The most important ones for muscle function are potassium, magnesium, sodium, and calcium. An imbalance of these can lead directly to muscle fatigue, weakness, and cramps. Coconut water is naturally rich in these electrolytes, especially potassium and magnesium. Think of it this way. Dehydration makes your muscles tired and sluggish. It's like trying to run a car on low oil. By rehydrating with coconut water, you're not just replacing the water, you're topping up the essential minerals your muscles need to fire correctly and avoid fatigue. This keeps your legs feeling energized and strong, especially in warmer weather or after exertion. It's a clean, effective way to prevent fatigue-related stumbles. The best is straight from a young green coconut, but that's not always practical. When buying it packaged, look for one simple thing on the label: 100% coconut water. Avoid any brands with added sugars, preservatives, or from concentrate. Chilled coconut water is especially refreshing after any physical activity or on a hot day. It's the perfect, healthy alternative to soda or sugary sports drinks. Our sixth beverage works on a different level. It supports not just the physical body, but the crucial connection between mind and muscle. We're talking about the incredible adaptogen American ginseng tea. American ginseng is known as an adaptogen. An adaptogen doesn't give you a jittery, artificial jolt like caffeine. Instead, it helps your body adapt to and resist physical, chemical, and biological stress. It helps to balance your body's systems, providing a steady, calm, and sustainable energy boost rather than a spike and a crash. How does this help your legs? First, it improves physical stamina and reduces fatigue, allowing you to stay active for longer without feeling drained. But critically, it also sharpens mental focus and reaction time. Many stumbles and falls happen not because of a lack of strength, but because of a split-second lapse in attention. By improving that mind-body connection and sharpening your reaction time, ginseng helps you notice that uneven pavement or that misplaced object and correct your footing before a stumble can happen. You can find American ginseng in tea bags or as dried root slices. Simply steep it in hot water for about 5 minutes. It has a unique, slightly bittersweet, earthy flavor. Because it provides a gentle energy boost, it's best enjoyed in the morning or early afternoon. As with any herbal supplement, if you have any health conditions or are on medication, it's always wise to chat with your doctor first. Our final drink is a delicious antioxidant powerhouse that protects your body from the inside out. It's a simple, unsweetened blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are famous for being packed with antioxidants, particularly a type called anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue-purple color. To understand why antioxidants are so important, think of a process called oxidative stress. It's like a form of rusting on a cellular level, caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. This process can damage all our cells, including those in our blood vessels and muscles. The anthocyanins in blueberries are like a cleanup crew that neutralizes these damaging free radicals. This is particularly beneficial for the health of our blood vessels, keeping them flexible and strong, which in turn supports healthy circulation to the legs. By reducing inflammation and protecting muscle cells from damage, these antioxidants contribute directly to better mobility, less soreness, and overall leg strength. This is wonderfully simple. Blend a cup of frozen blueberries with a half cup of plain Greek yogurt or protein, or simply a little water to get the desired consistency. The key is unsweetened. Blueberries are naturally sweet enough. Using frozen berries makes the smoothie thick and cold without needing ice. It's a perfect breakfast or a refreshing, health-boosting dessert. So there we have it. 7 powerful, natural, and delicious drinks to support your journey to stronger legs and greater confidence. From the muscle-powering beetroot juice to the mind-focusing ginseng tea. From the cramp-busting banana almond smoothie to the joint-soothing golden milk. Each one offers a unique set of benefits. The most important takeaway from our time together today is the message of consistency. Drinking one of these beverages once won't magically transform your strength overnight, but incorporating them into your weekly routine, that is where the real power lies. Think of it as investing in your future mobility, one delicious sip at a time. These drinks are a wonderful tool in your wellness toolkit, but they work best when combined with a lifestyle of gentle movement. A daily walk, some simple stretching, or a chair yoga class can amplify these benefits immensely. And please don't forget the most basic drink of all, plenty of plain water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Simple, consistent dietary choices combined with gentle movement can play a significant role in maintaining your strength, your balance, and your confidence for years to come.
I'm so glad you joined me today. I would love to hear from you. Which of these drinks are you most excited to try? Do you have your own favorite recipe for leg strength? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Your tips could help someone else in this wonderful community.
If you found this information helpful and empowering, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more practical tips on living a vibrant, healthy, and confident life at any age. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.